Why does restaurant honey walnut shrimp taste so much better than homemade? Because of these steps. And most people skip the first one. You should always toast your walnuts with some oil. In a pan over medium heat, add cooking oil and walnuts. Toast for about 2 minutes until lightly toasted. Toasting removes the raw bitter taste of the walnuts and brings out their natural nuttiness. Many recipes omit this step, but it makes a noticeable difference. Remove and set aside. While the syrup is often made with oil, butter helps it come together faster with a richer overall flavor. In a pan over low heat, combine the butter, water, and brown sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Add the toasted walnuts and stir for about 2 minutes until the syrup is thickened and evenly coated. Transfer the walnuts to a parchment paper and let them cool completely. They will become super crispy once they have cooled down. To make the honey mayo sauce, combine the mayonnaise, sweet condensed milk, honey, rice vinegar, and salt. Mix until smooth. Set aside at room temperature. Season the shrimp with salt and white pepper. Add the egg and mix until evenly coated. Toss the shrimp with cornstarch. In a pot over high heat, add cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Heat it to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the shrimp. Fry for about 2 minutes until golden and crispy. Remove and drain. Add the hot fried shrimp directly to the sauce bowl and toss until evenly coated. Garnish your plate with orange slices. Transfer the walnut shrimp to it and top with the candied walnuts. This honey walnut shrimp pairs perfectly with my garlicky broccoli. Let me know in the comment, are you team extra walnuts or extra shrimp? Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy 30-minute Asian recipes. And for even more tasty recipes, check out my cookbook. Thank you so much for watching.